Daddy. Welcome to Cooking with Sophia. Today we're going to make Belgian waffles. Waffles make the best vegan breakfast. These are the ingredients for today's recipe. Make sure to download the full recipe so you can cook along with me. And first, we're going to preheat the microwave.
Preheat the microwave?
Uh-huh.
You mean the milk?
Yeah.
Okay.
For 15 seconds. So now we're going to see if it's ready or not. Yep, it's ready.
Okay. Do you need help?
Love it. I'm going to pour the milk into the bowl. Now we're going to sprinkle the yeast on the milk. Thank you, Daddy. Now we're going to put the sugar on top of the yeast.
What's that?
Now the timer's done.
So that means your yeast is ready?
Yeah. Now we're going to put the salt on the flour. Now we're going to pour this. And if you need somebody to help you, ask for help.
Good job, Sophie.
And then we're going to mix it. Then after you're done mixing it, you're going to let it rise for a couple minutes.
More than a couple minutes.
Yeah,
Like maybe an hour.
an hour.
You want it to do, how big you want it to get? Double in size.
Now, since it's all ready, we're going to let it sit for 1 hour. There. Well, look, it's risen so much. Now we're going to put the sugar pearls. There. A little bit more. Now we're going to mix it. And ask somebody to help you if you have somebody with you to do this. Sugar pearls make the waffles sweet and crispy.
How's that look?
Good.
Almost. Some of it's not mixed in yet. Gonna mix it. Okay.
Now that the batter is ready, we're going to put it in the waffle maker. And ask a grown-up to help you do that too. Now we're going to wait 3 or 4 minutes. Now we're going to take them out. Let's take this one out.
So good.
Yummy. I can't wait to try them.
Now we're going to taste test. And this is my brother Jack. He's a great taste tester. really good. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Next week's recipe is cake in a mug. Can't wait to cook with you again. Bye.